Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make shakshuka. It originated from North Africa and now it's almost everywhere, and of course everyone has their own way in making this. I only found out about this last month and I am in love with it. It's so delicious. I make this at least twice a week now. Not only is this delicious, but it's healthy. I love that. Most of you guys will have all the ingredients in your kitchen. And don't forget guys, Valentine's Day is coming up, so surprise your spouse with this delicious brunch or breakfast. Anyways, let's take a look at all the ingredients. Do you guys know how to peel garlic? I just learned this like last month. All you have to do is squish, oops, and look how it just comes off. Like, it's that easy. All right, so you need garlic chopped, 4 to 5 tomatoes. You can use canned if you want. I personally like to use the fresh tomatoes. Cilantro to garnish at the end. 1 medium onion. You need 2 teaspoons of paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 red bell pepper. You can use the green one if you want. 5 eggs, 5 or 6 eggs, it really depends on you. Salt and pepper, and that is it guys. I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I just added the onions in it. And then let's add the bell pepper. I am someone that actually likes to season as I go, so I'm gonna put some pepper and salt. All right, I am adding the garlic and just give that a mix. Now let's add in our paprika. If you want to add cayenne pepper or anything else, go for it. This is the cumin. Give that a mix. One thing I forgot to say is I did add green chili. If you want to, you can. You really don't have to if you don't want to. Now that the onion is soft, I'm going to add the tomatoes. And then add some more salt and pepper to that. Put it on medium heat and let this cook for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, confession time. I did add a little bit more paprika. So I would say add a half tablespoon of paprika if you want. Really up to you. Now, make a little well. If you want to do just egg whites by itself, I say go for it. I have done that. Now add some pepper and salt. And then close it up and let that cook for about 7 minutes. If you want the eggs runny, then look at it after 5 minutes. Let's actually add in our cilantro. And then close it back up. This is it, guys. Whoop. All right, guys, now let's take a bite out of this. Can you guys see this? It's like the bell pepper, the onions, egg, all the spices. You can literally taste everything. So good. You guys have to try this breakfast / brunch. Make it for your family. It is really good. You guys are going to love this. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Let me know in the comments below if you do make this. All right, bye.